Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this bamboo drying rack. This is a really neat rack because it comes with a stone mat that actually will help with the drying because the stone will absorb that water really quickly. This is a very easy to assemble rack that's actually adjustable. So if you have different size pots and pans, you can easily move the little rack sizes. So we are going to put this together and then we will take it out to the kitchen. In the package, you have 7 different sizes that you can actually put in here for your racks. And then you have this little stone mat that just slides in here. And it is just a lightweight stone, and it does have a little inset here as well that can also help carry your water. So you've got little grooves right there, and you just slide the stone in. And then that sits on here like this. And then we just decide wherever we want to put these bars based on where we want our dishes. So like I said, if you've got bowls and you want to have them further apart or plates that are closer together, it is all customizable and they just slide right in here. So I'll bring it in here close so you can see it and then we'll take it out to the kitchen. So here's this mat up close. Like I said, your stone comes out right here. And then they've got these little 3M tapes that you can then put on the bottom. And we just slide in our different racks here. Super simple, it just goes right in and then you've got your little drying things off to the side. Now I've got this rack out in my kitchen and then you can easily put in and adjust any of your dishes you want in here to be able to dry for next time without being cluttered all over your sink. So you've got all those right there and then you've got your stone mat under here that whenever the dishes are wet, you can see how it would quickly absorb in. And it doesn't spill out all over. It absorbs in there and it's not going all over your counter. It'll dry it up real quick and be ready for next time.